Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add friends on Monopoly Go with user ID. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, what we have to do is we're simply gonna have to access our particular Monopoly Go app on our mobile phone. So once we have done so, we do have this kind of interface, right? If you would like to add a friend or search for the friend to add, we can tap on this friends option that is given just below right corner of the section. And now we have this add friend option, timeline, and leaderboard. Right now these are the leaderboard we can see, and for us it's the friends, but we're going to go to this add friends, and now you can see we have two options. We can tap on this contacts, which will let us find our friend by the contacts, right? We're going to cross this out first, and again tap on friends and tap on this invite, and now we have option of inviting our friends by tapping on this link invite. We're going to tap on it. You can even choose to copy link and paste it to whoever we would like, and tap on this Facebook invite, which will simply open up the people who are on our Facebook, search their name, and we will be able to invite them. And the only thing right now available for you to use your user ID is simply knowing their Facebook user ID for us to find exact friend right over here. But if you know the user ID on Monopoly Go, from now there is no way for you to simply paste it in the search box and search the ID and add friend. So this is the only option available now, so you have to use any of them just like that. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.